Welcome to this particular channel, Wealthy Family, where we teach you how to make money online. And in today's video, I'll be showing you another site where you can earn money watching video ads. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, and to my old subscribers, you are also welcome. I thank you for your encouragement, for watching this video, for liking it, and for sharing it with your friends and family. So today I don't actually want this video to be very long, so I'll go to my Chrome right now and show you this particular site. Then for you to be sure of this site, I'm going to carry you to Trustpilot so that we can read every reviews about this site, and I'll also show you how to sign up at the end of this particular video. So you have to watch this video to the present end so that you know how to sign up for this particular site. So without wasting much of this time, let me go straight to my Chrome. Now let me show you something there. Please be very focused and stay tuned. Now let's press this .cointify. Sorry, Cointiply. So please, you have to be very focused here so that you should get this thing right. Cointiply.com. Let me quickly read to you what this site is all about. Cointiply.com. As you can see, let me log out. So this is the face. This is the face of the Cointify. Please stay tuned. From here, we're actually going to another place where we're going to know everything about this particular site and hear what people have been saying about it. Then from there, I will show you how to sign up. So let me log. I can actually show you how to sign up for this. So the sign up is very easy, but you just have to watch it to know it so that you won't do mistake. It's very easy, but you have to watch it so that you won't do mistake. And a lot of people have been asking me how I make sure this site is actually a genuine site. So right now from here, let's go to Trustpilot.com. And what is the work of this Trustpilot? Trustpilot.com is a site where everybody drop reviews of another site. So from the review, they are able to rate it. So that's the work of Trustpilot. If you're not sure about a particular site, all you have to do is to go to Trustpilot. Go to Trustpilot and check it and see what people are actually saying about the particular site. So please be patient and let me show you how Trustpilot do work. Trustpilot.com. Let me show you how this thing do work. So next time whenever I drop a video and I tell you about a particular site, what you have to do is to come to Trustpilot and check out. And if you find everything on Trustpilot okay, then you can sign up for the particular site and do what and start making money from them. So I don't know what is going on. Let me check my data connection. Let me check my data connection. Now let me reload this Trustpilot. Yes, I think we ID somewhere. Yes, yeah. So in this first pilot, we're actually going to check Cointeply. I'm actually going to check something about this Cointeply and see what people are saying about it. If they are saying positive thing about it or they are saying negative thing about it. Let's check. Now, as you can see, Quantiply is having 4 stars out of 5. This is 4.2 stars. That means it's very good. If I look at it, it's 81% excellent. So it's very good. Look at what this man is actually saying. Thank you, Quantify. I received my second withdrawal. God bless you, man. They really pay. What a fantastic site. These guys are giving this particular site 5 stars. So you should know how good this site is. I've received my second payment. Can you see? 1000. Just imagine 1000% legit. Very good. You see my first payment today. It's very good. I like it. So can you see? Now let's go back to Quantiply and let me show you how you can actually create your account. Let me show you how you can create your account. So this all you have to do is sign up and start earning immediately. And something about this is once you sign up, you're going to get 1000 free coins. So all you have to do is enter your first name, your email, your password, and confirm your password. That is all what you have to do to sign up for this particular site. And sign up and start earning immediately. So let me sign up and show you how it look like. If you find this video very useful, please don't forget to subscribe to, like the video, and drop your question below. If you have any question about the video, drop it below so that I can surely attend to them. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they too can benefit from this fantastic offer. Let's let boot. So once you open your account, this are actually going to sign in. And now, as you can see, let me show you the service. You can do this a service. There's 6,000 coins for this particular survey. So as you can see, we are having service. This is a survey, 4,000 coins. As you can see, the survey, this is 1,600 coins for this particular service. So as you can see, you can complete survey, install app, watch videos, do all of this to make this money. Yeah. And you can also earn from referrals. Earn money from referrals. So this is a particular referral link. Send it to your friends so that they can sign up and earn from them. And now let me show you how to withdraw your coins. Can you see this will withdraw? So you can withdraw using crypto. You see that your Bitcoin. So you can withdraw through crypto. Probably to your Bitcoin, your dog wallet, your Dash wallet, and your Litecoin wallet. Simple as ABC. So thank you for watching this video till the present end, and watch out for my next video. I love you all. Bye for now.